And we're back. Okay, so we have the frame, the belly here, and this is from 62 Pontiac Catalina, the AMT kit. Let me just show you. This is, if you see this, the box art, grab this kit. You can definitely combine it with the Bel Air. This here, set this up like this. So this is the way it's going to be sitting. Those wheels are JPS wheels. Here, I'm trying to dry off the engine right now, but just so you can kind of get an idea of the look there with the engine, and then later I'm gonna start adding more stuff. So right now I'm just using tape. I'm not gluing it down yet because I still need a primer at each piece, and then sand it down, prep it, and then get it ready for paint. So once every individual piece is painted, then I'm going to move forward with gluing it. That'll be like the final assembly. I'm going to take off the engine just because I know it's going to fall off. I'll just put that here because I'm going to just set this up real quick. Let's see here. I might also sand down a little bit here on the sides because a lot of times when you put these cars together, there's always like an issue. Also, another thing before I put this on, as you can see on the bottom, I added this styrene here. This like step that runs all the way along, and the same goes for this side. That is placed there because since this bottom piece is going on this body, and they're from two different model kits that are somewhat similar but not exact, I needed to have something so when I push this in, I know when to stop, and at the same time, so this thing, it prevents it from sliding forward and back, so it keeps it in place because that step is measured so it locks in between this wheel well and this wheel well down here. So let me go ahead and put this on. Let me make sure that none of these wheels fall off because they will fall off. See how that just snapped in there? Just like that. So here, let's see. Let's set this down. There we go. Let's look at the bottom. See there? And check this out. It's all nice and flush down there. I'm still gonna, obviously put all the other items that go underneath. But the front wheel, you can move it and set it up. Oh, I think I fell off. Let me put this on. So it's like you could do it like it's like turning. It's you can move it pretty much, but let's see. Set this wheel back. It happens. Here we go. All right, cool. It's back on. They're not glued. They're just kind of placed. Look at this. All that room there for the engine. So let's open up everything again. Let's set it up. Let's pretend it's the show. Oh, a little tip here. So since I have everything on, I can't, how am I gonna open this? So let's say you're at the show and you're like, man, you don't want to dig your nail in there or put a hobby knife in there because that's kind of sketchy. You're gonna jack up your model. So what I've done is I get tape, and you can always put tape like this. See that there? And then you could pull it up like that. You hold on to it, take off the tape, and you're set. There you go. Quick little tip right there. Go to the tape technique so this way you do not mess up your trunk. So there you see the car there. Let me keep rotating it. You know what? Let me just put it on this box. I'll make it a lot more easier. Another good use. There we go. All right. So we got it here in the box. Let's rotate. So the more I stare at this car, the more it's speaking to me. It starts to kind of tell me what I need to address, what I need to take off, what I need to add. There's a lot of different things. Colors come to mind. Yeah, let's open this all the way up here, and let's place the heart in the vehicle. There we go. See that thing just fit right in there. Now let's close this up right there. So yeah, so this is so far where I'm at. I haven't really been posting any pictures of this car on Instagram. I just been, now that I've been like trying to keep it a secret or nothing. I mean, I'm putting it out on video now. Um, it's just I've been kind of busy doing other stuff and posting other stuff, but sometime soon I'll post something. But once I wrap up a lot of these things, body's gonna get painted. Once that's chilling, then I'm gonna start working on the interior and the trunk. And you know, I gotta do my best to get this thing done. So and then oh yeah, wait, before I go, let me just show you. So these are the, like I've shown in the Iceman video. These are the little the stands, little stands. So there's 4 of them for each wheel. So I plan on using these for my display for my car. I'm gonna most likely sand down and fill these in with glue there, so this way they're all solid pieces. And when I get this, there's some water still. When I get this prepped, I want it to match. Oh no, it's not. I think it's glue. Oh, there we go. It came off. I want it to match the body paint job of the car. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry this video was like super long, but I just needed to put everything on there. All right. Peace.